Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to make pattern lock in Oppo A5s. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You only have to do is go to setting in your Oppo mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, scroll down and find the fingerprint face in password. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in fingerprint face in password, you can see the lock screen password is off. You only have to do is click the lock screen password. And okay guys, we need to turn on the lock screen password. Okay, click turn on password. And okay guys, here and set a lock screen password. Okay, the lock screen password is required every time you start your phone. Okay guys, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to make pattern lock in your Oppo A5s. Okay guys, you only have to do is click the other encryption method. And okay guys, the pop-up will show and you can see the pattern code. Okay, click the pattern code. And okay guys, we need to draw the pattern. So okay, connect at least 4 dots to make patterns, okay, or pattern password. Okay, we need to verify the new pattern. And okay guys, the pop-up will show and link an email to your lock screen password to help you with password recovery, so you can bind it or you can cancel. Okay, I decide to cancel. And okay guys, that's it, and successfully create the pattern lock in your Oppo A5s. Okay, we can try it. Okay, go back. And okay. Okay guys, draw your pattern. And that's it guys, successfully create the pattern lock screen in your Oppo A5s. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.